Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to set up a successful music campaign using Soursz. Whether you're looking to promote a single track or promote an entire album, I've got you covered. Let's dive into it. Start by opening your web browser and type soursz.com/pricing in the address bar and press enter. Once on the pricing page, you'll notice different subscription options. And for new users, there's a trial offer available for just $9, which is a great starting point to test the service. And you can sign up by adding your email or using your Google or Microsoft account. Below the sign-up options, you can explore the different categories which are basic, algorithmic, or AI targeting. Each category offers unique features tailored to different promotional needs. You can read each one of them later. So yeah, let's go ahead and use Google for a smoother login process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the trial subscription page. If you're just starting, you might want to start with a trial package. However, today we're focusing on another plan, which is the Boost package under the Basic category. After selecting the Boost package, it's time to input your campaign details. Start by entering your artist name that matches your artist name on Spotify, and make sure to only include the artist name without any track titles here. Next, input the track name separately in the next field. Next, add the Spotify link of the song you want to promote and confirm it here. It's very important to ensure the Spotify link matches exactly, otherwise you might run into this error. Now, let's set your target audience. Soursz.com allows you to target over 170 countries. Let's pick the United States for this demo. Next, choose the language of your music, which will be the language of the lyrics of your music. I'm going to select English, and then add pop as my music genre. Next, enter your personal details including your real first and last name, the country of residence, city, and postal code. You can optionally add your state. For this example, we'll use California. Then provide a contact phone number. With everything in place, let's talk about adding extra features. Soursz offers packages like the Advantage Algorithmic Pack, which can further boost your music's visibility by using algorithmic playlists. If it fits your budget, I highly recommend considering these enhancements. Once you've reviewed your selections and are satisfied, it's time to proceed to payment. Here, you can add your credit card details and finalize the payment. Let's click this button. Don't worry if you encounter this small error, just refresh the page or click here, and you can continue without any issues. All your details are already saved. Now let's go back to payment and click the button. And as you can see below the button there, a new section loading, which will be the section where you can add your payment details. For the purpose of this video, it'll skip this part. And that's it! Congratulations, you've just successfully set up your first music campaign on Soursz. Now, to track the performance of your campaign, simply visit your Spotify for Artists dashboard. Here you can view real-time stats like stream counts and playlist additions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop contact Soursz at soursz.com/help, and I hope your music reaches the audience it deserves. Have a fantastic day promoting your tracks on Soursz.